Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 51. We start with this row. We're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 8. 7 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 7 here, 8, 7. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so 2, 3. 2 here, 7 here, so 3, 4. 2, 3, and 4 here makes this our 7. 2 here, 4 here makes this our 3. That 3 makes this our 4 and 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 9 here, so this is our 1. That 9 makes this our 4, 9. For this row now, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 7 here, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 6. 4 here, so 5, 6. That means our 4 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 7 covering this box, so 6, 8. Same here, 6, 8. We've got a 1 and 6 here, and the 8 here means this is our 7. And since our 1 can't be here or here, it's got to be here. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here and a 5 covering here, so this has to be our 5. We've got a 2 here, so this is our 6, 2. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. And for this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 8. But if we look, our 4 can't be here or here, so this is our 4. That makes this our 6, which makes this our 8, 6, 8. That 5 makes this our 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. And for this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.